Hi guys, it's Ronke here. So I'm so excited to introduce the challenge that we have just before summer starts. This challenge is called Dress Down, and the goal of the challenge is to help you lose about a dress size or more in a 4-week period, as well as an extra focus on losing belly fat. So with this challenge, one of my ultimate goals with my team was to actually build something based on what most people struggle with, which is rice. From the past 3 years, most people tell me I was not able to stick to this, or I had a hard time sticking to this challenge because there wasn't enough rice on the plan. So for 3 weeks of this challenge, it's a 4-week plan, and for the first 3 weeks we have rice every week. So no matter what, it's easy to stick to. So there's rice, there's jollof rice, there's fried rice, there's rice and sauce, there is yam and egg, there's gari and soup. Honestly, this is the ultimate plan. This is one of the most exciting plans we've ever created, and I'm so proud of it. I've gone on the plan myself. I did test the plan with the test team, and there was like incredible result all over the board. So, and this is also something that you can do wherever you are in the world. You don't have to be in Nigeria, you don't have to be in North America. You know, with all of our plans, we provide recipes, meal tables, ingredient list, substitution list, and for this first round of this plan, I'm having complimentary WhatsApp group access. So when you purchase the plan, you actually get access to the WhatsApp group for the duration of the challenge. We've actually created some extra modifiers as well for this plan. So if you're a nursing mom, as I am myself, we have modifiers for nursing moms. We have modifiers for people who are on intermittent fasting or any other type of fast. We have modifiers for something we're calling accelerate. So if you're looking to accelerate, so over this 4 weeks, you have something in the summer and you're looking to take it beyond what we've planned for the challenge and make it even work for you even more. We have accelerators. So to join us, all you have to do is go to LucyNigerian.com/dress and get the plan. And then we also have different packages as well if you're looking to work with me one-on-one. So you'll find all of those details on the website. So I really hope you join us.